looking to sell your current vehicle and maybe want a top dollar now?
Well, you can sell it to car dealerships McCloskey, who's known to pay the most money for vehicles in Colorado, even if you don't buy another vehicle from them as well. Our Krista Widiak is out there with more. Good morning.
Good morning, Krista. Give me a good top dollar car.
Good morning. We are here at McCloskey Motors, and I am joined now with owner Joe. How you doing?
Good morning. It's a beautiful morning. Finally,
know.
the wind stopped, and it's a beautiful morning outside.
Beautiful morning. A beautiful morning to take a drive as well, especially here, and if you get your car here from McCloskey Motors. But I want to know a little bit more about your company history here, so people know you.
Well, actually, we've been in business 33 years, and that story that you see on the commercials about Ann and I started out in the garage in an alley with one light bulb and no phone is actually a true story. I remember when we actually started,
Wow.
I brought Ann to our new location. I flung open that garage door, and she looked inside, and there's just one light bulb hanging from a string, but she actually said yes twice to me. Once to get married, and a second time yes to open up McCloskey Motors 33 years ago.
I mean, started from the bottom, now we're here. Look at this place.
Yes, yeah.
And you guys are quite, have quite an award, I guess you could say, shelf.
Well, actually, it's kind of turned into a show. We have such an incredible staff, and our awards are because of our people, not because of me.
Yeah.
And so we certainly won the National Quality Dealer of the Year Award, which means over 33,892 independent auto dealers selected us as the best dealer in the nation that exemplifies a quality dealer. In addition to that, we won the Better Business Bureau Excellence in Customer Service Award.
Wow.
And not only did we win that, but we're the only independent dealer in the entire nation to ever receive that award. So we're quite proud of that award.
That's a big one.
Plus, we won it 4 times in a row. So
Oh, wow.
our staff is really proud of that as well. In addition to that, we have, of course, the Best of the Springs awards that you've heard about. And with Best of the Springs, we won those 9 consecutive years in a row for Best Military Dealer as well as Best Used Car Dealer in town.
And a little birdie told me you won a Hall of Fame award.
Well, thank you. Yes, I'm so humbled by that.
Congratulations.
Thank you. I won the Colorado Independent Auto Dealer Hall of Fame Award.
Yeah.
And just received that just a couple months ago. So thank you for bringing it up. It was quite humbling that would happen.
Are you? I mean, that's why I said started from the bottom. Now you hear McCloskey Motors doesn't really get. You guys are just getting better and better and better.
Well, we keep working on it. Our staff is always endeavoring to improve themselves. And Matt, this is Matt Brown. He is our Parts and Service Director.
Hi,
Welcome, Matt.
Thank
I
you.
know
It's
you
good
got.
to be here. I'm excited.
And you've got some great things to tell us as well.
Oh, incredible. So we have over 13,000 reviews with an average of 4.7 stars across all of our locations.
Wow. What do you think that means?
It means we're doing something right, is what that means.
So you are the Service Repairs Director, isn't that
Yes,
right?
Parts and Service Director.
Parts and Service Director. So you kind of know what goes around when it comes to the vehicles and all the vehicles you have here on site.
Yes, absolutely. We run every vehicle through the shop, do a complimentary safety inspection. We check brakes, belts, hoses, tires, make sure everything's ready to go. We clean it, we polish it, we get everything going. It's wonderful.
So you know kind of what's on the lot here, because I know there's been a lot of talk about not having quite the inventory that you should have. Is that a problem you're seeing here at McCloskey?
No, we have over 250 cars in stock. We have no problem with inventory right now. We have trucks, we have Jeeps, we have sports utilities. We've got whatever you want, we have, and if we don't have it, we'll go find it.
And then how can people find out more information about McCloskey Motors?
You can go to BigJoeAuto.com, see what our sales inventory looks like that, or you can go to service at Big Joe Auto and schedule an appointment and see our coupons and see what's on sale. We got it all.
Well, Matt, thank you so much. Joe, we'll be chatting with you in a little bit. Guys, again, we are here at McCloskey Motors from over 30 years of business, multiple different awards, Hall of Fame award winner right here, as well as plenty of vehicle selections all up in the lot. Make sure you check them out. Like you said, head to their website. But don't go anywhere, though, because we've got more coming up here from McCloskey Motors and what you can find here in Colorado Springs. Tossing it back to you guys in the studio.
Krista, have they got any hybrids? Need a hybrid.
I'll find out for you and we'll come back to it, okay?
Thank you. Thank you
know,
so
that
much.
Porsche I was talking about, Krista, so you can always find that one too.
Okay, I will look for you too.
Yeah, bring Auntie Kenny back a good little Porsche. There you go. This segment is sponsored by McCloskey Motors.